Guys, my name is Wania. Today I'm going to tell you a story about my superhero. My daddy is the best daddy in the world. My daddy is the most handsome. My daddy cares me too much. Daddy loves me. He dropped me to school and picked me up from school. He always cares me. My dad is my best friend and he is my superhero. He always fun with me. My Baba Jani is most clever. He always help me in my online classes, also in my homework and all other activities. He is play with me. He always buy everything that I need to choose. But he lies about having a job. He lies about having money. He lies that he is not tired. He lies about his happiness. My daddy is just great. He is my superhero. He lies because of me. He wants I do good in my school. He wants to give me all the things. All the dads love their babies too much. All dads work hard for their babies. All kids need to do good study for their dad. Thank you to my teacher, my parents, my principal, and my friends.